Good morning, my dear students. Today we have to continue the problems. Continuity, more important questions are there. How to find the value of k with the help of continuity definition. In this model we have the questions. I started here. 26 to 30 problems are there. Then we have to see the remaining problems. So problem 26. Observing. So here find the values of k so that the function f is continuous at indicated point. So at this point it is a continuous. Continuous meaning limit of f of x is equal to f of a exist. That is left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f of a. Then we have to find unknown number in the given function. So k, whatever there is, unknown value, lambda like this. Let us see problem number 26. So these are the repeated questions for theory point of view. So I have to take given function, given f of x equals k cos x divided by pi minus 2x when x not equal to pi by 2, 3 when x is equal to pi by 2. So let us see the finding number. I would have checked at x equal to pi by 2 here. At x equal to pi by 2, the function f of pi by 2 will be 3. So it is given very clearly in the data. Now I have to find limit of a function. So here we need not to find left hand limit, right hand limit. Directly limit of a function find out. Because no need inequality here, there is no breaking conditions, so directly we do here. So now limit of a function find out. Limit f of x as x approaches to pi divided by 2. This equals limit of what is the f of x? K cos x divided by pi minus 2x as x approaches to pi divided by 2. Okay. Now how do I solve this one? Let us see the simple way. It is a constant number k. I would have convert in terms of sin. We know all of you cos theta is equal to in terms of sin of 90 minus theta. Okay, firstly I would have take 2 common in the denominator. It changed here pi by 2 minus x. So one more step I am increasing. Limit k cos x divided by 2 if whenever I take 2 common, we get pi by 2 minus x as x approaches to pi by 2. I would have also write this one. This is equal to constant term taking outside k divided by 2. Limit of I would have write cos x sin of 90 minus theta sin of pi by 2 minus x divided by pi by 2 minus x as x approaches to pi by 2. This is also I can write x minus pi by 2 or pi by 2 minus x or x approaches to pi by 2. So this is also we can write pi by 2 minus x approaches to 0. I can change like this. Pi by 2 minus x as approaches to 0. Okay, if I take pi by 2 minus x is equal to y, then it becomes limit of sin y divided by y as y tends to 0. We know all of you property. So this property we know that in the limit sin x divided by x as x approaches to 0 is equal to 1. According to this result, this will be limit of sin of pi by 2 minus x upon pi by 2 minus x as pi by 2 minus x approaches to 0 will be 1. So this is equal to k divided by 2 into 1 is equal to k divided by 2. So we got limit of function is equal to k divided by 2. Since f is what? Continuous at x equal to pi by 2. Since f is continuous, this is given in the problem. According to problem, f is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. Okay, so continuous means what? Limit of f of x as x approaches to pi by 2 is equal to f of pi divided by 2. What is the limit of f of x? We got k divided by 2. So equating k divided by 2 is equal to f of pi by 2 has given in the problem 3. From this k is equal to 6. 2 3 are 6. So this is the value. So you can do it like this question. Very simple method this is. Whenever there is breaking conditions, we have to find left hand limit as well as right hand limit. Here there is no breaking conditions. If x does not equal to pi by 2, the function is given. When x equal to pi by 2, function is 3. So I would have, firstly I would have find limit of a function at x equal to pi by 2. This procedure you should learn compulsory. So what I done here, k cos x, in the denominator I took common 2 here. 2 of pi by 2 minus x. Next constant term taking outside, limit of x minus pi by 2 or pi by 2 minus x approaches to 0, meaning will be same. Cos theta in terms of sin of 90 minus theta upon 90 minus x. We know property, we know that limit of sin x by x as x approaches 0 other than x, everywhere same number. Here also observing pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 minus x. So this is nothing but if you take number theta, sin theta by theta as theta tends to 0, it will be 1. So we get k by 2 into 1 equals k by 2. Since f is a continuous at x equal to pi by 2 according to problem this is. So limit of a function is by f of a, that is equal to k by 2 equal to 3, k is equal to 6. Okay. Next problem. In the same model, there are given another 2 to 3 questions. Take the question here. Problem number 27. F of x is equal to kx square. Kx square when x is smaller than or equal to 2. 3 when x is more than 2. So we have to find the k value at x is equal to pi by 2. At x is equal to 2 in this row. Identify that is. I indicated some points. At that point we have to check the continuity of this function. Okay, here observing in the problem the function is breaking at x is equal to 2. So we have to find left hand limit as well as right hand limit where at x is equal to 2. Firstly, we have to calculate f of a, that is f of 2. When x is equal to 2, what is the function? So very clearly there in the problem, x is equal to 2, f of x is kx square. So I substitute x is equal to 2 in the function. K into 2 whole square. This equals 4k. So f of 2 is equal to 4k. Hereafter, at breaking conditions, we have to find left hand limit and right hand limit. LHL. This means limit of f of x as x approaches to 2 minus 2 negative. 2 negative meaning what? From left hand side, that is smaller than 2. I would have changed the same function in another way. Limit of f of 2 minus h as h tends to and h approaches to 0. Aren't they same? Yes. So 2 minus h meaning what? It is smaller than 2. Smaller than 2. When x is smaller than 2, what is the function? Kx square. So I substitute here. Limit of k value with k as it is. X is what? 2 minus h. 2 minus h whole square as h approaches to 0. Now you apply the limit. If you apply the limit k bracket 2 minus 0 whole square, this is nothing but 4k. This is the value of left hand limit. It exists. It exists here. Then I would have find right hand limit or HL. That is limit of f of x as x approaches to 2 positive. 2 positive means what? It means more than 2. I can also, for sake of understanding, I could have write limit of f of 2 plus h as h tends to 0. It gives same meaning. 2 plus a something number, that is a small quantity. H is always a small quantity, remember. It is a positive number, lies between 0 and 1. So if you add a small number, the 2 plus something means it is more than 2. If when x is more than 2, what is the function? Function value is 3. This equals limit of function is 3 as h tends to 0. Limit of a constant is constant, we get 3. Since what is the given problem? According to problem, f is what? It is continuous at x is equal to 2. Since f is continuous at x is equal to 2. This means that is left hand limit equals right hand limit equals f of, that is f of 2. So here left hand limit exists, we got 4k, and right hand limit exists, that value will be 3. 4k is equal to 3 is equal to also 4k f of 2. Now you equating any two numbers, either these two or these two, we get answer k. Now 4k is equal to 3. From this k will be what? K equals 3 upon 4. Hence proved answer. So what is the k value? 3 divided by 4. So very simple method this is. In every question we are following this process. Every problem throughout in the continuity. This is the mathematically traditional method, you should remember, very easy to solve without any confusion. So I removed here confusion, avoided this. Whenever you change the value like this, there is no confusion in the limits. So 2 minus is from left hand side, it is approaching, so smaller than 2. We follow the same problem, same method in the next question. What is the question number 28? 27 is like this, 28 also same order. F of x is equal to, function is given, he is breaking at x equal to pi, conditions are there. When x is smaller than pi, f of x is kx plus 1. When x is more than pi, when f of x is cos x, we have to check, we have to find continuity at x equal to pi. So almost all it is exactly similar problem. 28th question, I would have take the function. So what are the given values? F of x is equal to kx plus 1 cos x. Kx plus 1 it is when x is smaller than or equal to pi. Cos x when x is more than pi. At x is equal to pi, we have to find the continuity. Remaining things are same almost all here. Okay. So we find out here like this. Now x is equal to pi. So let's equal to, when x is equal to pi, what is the function? Kx plus 1. So f of pi. F of pi equals, substitute k where x is pi, k into pi plus 1. So breaking conditions are given. So at left hand limit, at x equal to pi, left hand limit find out. Limit of f of x as x approaches to pi negative. So that is, I would have changed this is f of pi minus x as h tends to 0. This equals pi minus x meaning what? It means smaller than pi. When x is smaller than pi, what is the f of x? Kx plus 1. So that is the limit of k into x value. Put x is equal to pi minus x plus 1 as h tends to 0. Now apply the limit here. Apply the limit. This is equal to k into bracket pi minus h. This is pi minus h, pi minus 0 plus 1. This is equal to k pi plus 1. So this is the left hand limit, it exists. Then we have to find right hand limit. So where at x is equal to pi only. So limit of f of x as x approaches to pi plus. We would have change in terms of pi plus. So limit of f of pi plus h as h tends to 0. This is limit of when x is more than pi. When x is more than pi, cos value f of x is cos x. So limit of cos of pi plus h as h approaches to 0. Now we apply the limit. This is equal to cos of pi plus 0. Cos 180 plus 0 means cos 180. Cos 180 is equal to minus 1. Cos of 180 degree is equal to minus 1. Since in the question f is according to problem it is continuous. So f of x is continuous and x is equal to pi. What does it mean? Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f of 5. How much we got relation? Left hand limit is equal to k pi plus 1. K pi plus 1. What is the right hand limit? That is equal to minus 1. Again f of pi, that is k pi plus 1. Now equating any two terms. Among three you should equate in two terms. K pi plus 1 is equal to minus 1. K into pi is equal to minus 2. Or else k is equal to, we need to find k number. So k is equal to, pi setting this side division, minus 2 upon pi. Therefore, k is equal to what? Minus 2 divided by pi. Exactly similar to our question is one. So, k model problems here to find the k value very easy here. So, these are the main questions in theory part. Okay, one more question is there. F of x is equal to kx plus 1 and function in 3x minus 5. When x is smaller than or equal to 5, greater more than 5 given. At x equal to 5. 5 given, this is 5 number given. Almost the same mode. Can you find out this one? You want that? Okay, let us see. The same question, this is f of x is equal to kx plus 1 when x is smaller than or equal to 5. 3x minus 5 when x is more than 5. So we have to find left hand limit, right hand limit. Why? Because breaking conditions are given. However, when there is a breaking conditions, you have to apply always left hand limit, right hand limit method. If there is no breaking conditions, do it directly, nothing to worry. It gives same meaning. Okay, let us see the problem number 29. So problem number 29. So we have to find out at x is equal to 5. Okay, when x is equal to 5, what is the f of x? F of x is kx plus 1. So fill x is equal to 5 in the function. It becomes k into 5. 5k plus 1. Next one. We have to find left hand limit. Limit of f of x as x approaches to 5 minus. So from left hand side this is. X is approaching 5 from left hand side. To avoid the confusion, I should have convert. How should I convert here? I can write limit of f of 5 minus h as h approaches to 0. So now you can get the same meaning. 5 minus h. What does it mean? This meaning smaller than 5. When x is smaller than 5, f of x is kx plus 1. Substitute here. This equals limit of k bracket 5 minus h plus 1 as h approaches to 0. Put limit here. Apply the limit h equal to 0, k into 5 minus 0 plus 1. This is equal to 5k plus 1. This is the left hand limit. In the same manner, I would have find right hand limit. What is the right hand limit? Limit of f of x as x approaches to 5 plus from the right hand side of 5. X approaches to 5 here. X tends to 5. I could have changed this number. Limit of f of 5 plus h as h tends to 0. Does it give same meaning? Yes, it means more than 5. When x is more than 5, what is the f of x value? 3x minus 5. Substitute the value. Limit of 3 bracket 5 plus h minus 5 as h tends to 0. Now we should apply the limit. This is equal to 3 bracket 5 plus 0 minus 5. So 3 into 5, 15 minus 5, this will be what? 10. That will be 10 here. So I got left hand limit, right hand both are exist here. As according to problem, what you say that f is continuous at indicated point. At what point it is continuous already? Already it is continuous at x is equal to 5. What does it mean? It means left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f of 5. Now find out the k value using this condition. Left hand limit is, I got 5k plus 1. Right hand limit is 10 is equal to 5k plus 1. Hereafter we are using any two terms. Using any two terms we have to find k value. Now I have to use first two terms. 5k plus 1 is equal to 10. Okay, 5k plus 1 is equal to 10. From this k, 5k is equal to 10 minus 1, 9, or else k is equal to 9 upon 5. It will be 9 by 5. 9 divided by 5 is our required answer. Okay, these questions are very important as theory point of view. Same model questions are asking in the CET level also. Find the k value whatever it is. Are you okay this one? Shall we go to the next question? Problem number 30. 30th problem. Read the first of all question. What he has given in the statement, let us see. Find the values of a and b. So in the above questions we found only one number k. But in this problem there is asking two numbers a and b such that the function is defined here f of x like this. When x is smaller than or equal to 5. When x lies between 2 and 10, ax plus b. When x is more than or equal to 10, 21 given, is a continuous function. It already is a continuous. Now we have to find a and b. So it is almost a likely question only there is. Okay. So let us see how to solve this problem. To find the two numbers, also we can find two numbers, three numbers by solving only two equations. At different conditions are there. What is the function? He defined f of x is equal to 5 when x is smaller than or equal to 2. Ax plus b when x is lies between 2 and 10. 21 when x is more than or equal to 10. Okay, this is the problem. Now we have to observe at what value, what points we have to check the continuity first. So according to this breaking conditions, x here 2, 10 are there. So we have to check at x is equal to, we have to find limits at x is equal to 2 as well as at x equal to 10. At x equal to 2, if you find out at x equal to 2, we get one equation. Might be when x equal to at x equal to 10, we get the second equation. By solving two equations, we can easily find out a and b values. To find two numbers, at least we required two equations are required. So that's why he has given breaking conditions. Three breaking conditions are given. At 2, at 10, we have to check first. So firstly I would have take x is 2. Okay, f of 2 find out. When x is equal to 2, what is the f of x value? It is 5. Clearly there. Now same process, left hand limit I would have take. Left hand limit. Limit of f of x as x approaches to 2 minus, that I have to write limit of f of 2 minus h as h tends to 0. So whenever you change the limit function here, there is no any confusion, no twist here, almost removed. It is free from the twist whenever you do it like this. 2 minus h, that is. It means smaller than 2. When x is smaller than 2, this is the function only. X value is 2 minus h. This is equal to limit of a bracket 2 minus h plus b as h tends to 0. Now you apply the limit. If you apply the limit, we are getting a bracket 2 minus 0 plus b is equal to a plus b. A plus b, that is. So we got left hand limit at x equal to 2. I would have find right hand limit at the same number. Right hand limit. Limit of f of x as x approaches to 2 plus. This equals limit of, how do I write this on? Right hand side, from more than 2. More than 2 means we should add something. Limit of f of 2 plus h as h approaches to 0. Now observing, this is 2 plus h, it is more than 2. When x is more than 2, so where it is second function? Here some mistake is there. No? 2 minus x, that is less than 2. When x is less than 2, function is 5. It is not correct. When x is less than 2, smaller than 2, this is 5. This is equal to 5 only there. Limit of a constant is constant. Here more than 2 this is. When x is more than 2, ax plus b. Substitute here limit of bracket a into bracket 2 plus h plus b as h tends to 0. Once again we have to see correctly. More than 2. If when x is more than 2, what is the function? Ax plus b. X is what? 2 plus h. A bracket 2 plus h plus b. Now you apply the limit. So this is equal to a bracket 2 plus 0 plus b is equal to 2a plus b. Okay, this is the right hand limit, left hand limit f of 2. Since f is already continuous, since f is continuous at x is equal to 2, that is LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f of 2. So what is the LHL value? 5 is equal to 2a plus b is equal to 5. From this we get one of them equating. Now we get the, what is the getting here? Now 2a plus b is equal to 5 as equation number 1. In the same manner, we have to find left hand limit, right hand limit at x is equal to, one more number is breaking at 10 now, at x is equal to 10. At x is equal to 10, we have to find function. when x is equal to 10, what is the f of x value? He has given 21 number. So f of 10 is equal to 21. Hereafter, we have to find breaking conditions, left hand limit. Left hand limit. Limit of f of x as x approaches to 10 minus. That is equal to limit of f of 10 minus h as h tends to 0. This is the method. Okay, you should change like this. Next, it is free from the complication. Now, when x is less than 10, when x is less than 10, what is the function? Ax plus b. This is equal to limit of bracket a into 10 minus h plus b as h tends to 0. So simplify, that is equal to a into 10 minus 0 plus b. This is equal to 10 into a plus b. So this is the left hand limit. The same way we have to find right hand limit or HL. So limit of x tends to 10 plus f of x. I have to write limit of f of 10 plus h as h tends to 0. 10 plus h, something is added means it is more than 10. When x is more than 10, what is the f of x value? 21. This equals limit of 21 as h tends to 0. Limit of a constant will be 21. Constant here. Since it is also continuous at x is equal to, where it is continuous here at x equal to 10 also. Okay, let us say this one. This is what? 2a plus b. Okay, now I will complete this one here only. Since f is continuous at x is equal to 10, that is LHL is equal to RHL, that is equal to f of 10. How much we got left hand limit? 10a plus b, 10 into a plus b is equal to right hand limit 21 is equal to 21. So now equating 10a plus b is equal to 21, take as equation number 2. So hereafter we got here two equations. Now we should solve the two equations. What is the first equation? 2a plus b is equal to 5. Second equation is 10a plus b is equal to 21. We have to solve these two equations. To find a and b means we need to solve using any method, elimination method applying. But because second term b, common term is there, so subtract here. Solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. So what is the getting value? Observe that 10a, that is equation 2 minus equation 1. That implies 10a minus 2a, that is 8a plus b minus b cancelled, 21 minus 5, that is 16. 21 minus 5. Okay, 10a minus 2a, that is 8a, b minus b cancelled, 21 minus 5, 16. 8a is equal to 16. A is equal to what? 2. Whenever we know the one number, we can easily find out second number from the equation either 1 or 2. Substitute in equation 1. So here 2 into 2 plus b is equal to 5. So b is equal to 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. Therefore, what are the a values? A is equal to 2, b is equal to 1. So these are the values of a and b. Comparatively, our problem is a bit lengthy here. So our problem only one value. So with the help of this method. Here twice applied same method here. So like we have to find out a, b, whatever they are constants in the question. Okay, this is the method. Shall we do one more problem? So this is up to 30 questions. Now see the one more problem I will do right now. Take the question number 17th question. Last class up to 16 completed. Then I have given today important questions to find the k from 26 to 38 questions. Next 17th and 18th questions almost all same models. So what he has given in this problem, take the question number 17th one. The question is, find the relation between A and B so that the function f defined by f of x is equal to ax plus 1 when x is smaller than or equal to 3, bx plus 3 when x is more than 3 is continuous at x is equal to 3. At x is equal to 3. So observe that, is it similar to our questions? Yes, almost a similar question this is. So we have to find here relation between A and B here. Already it is continuous, he has given, it is continuous at x is equal to 3 only. Okay, take the firstly given function. What is the given function? F of x is equal to ax plus 1 if x is smaller than or equal to 3, bx plus 3 when x is more than 3. Now we have to check continuity at x is equal to 3 only. At x equal to 3 we have to check the continuity of a function. Okay, now at x is equal to 3, what is the f of 3? Equal to 3, x is equal to 3. Do we have any function? Yes, is equal to 3 will be there. Here two problems or two functions are there. When x equal to 3, when x smaller than 3, the function is the same, ax plus 1. So that is a into 3 plus 1, that is equal to 3a plus 1. So where it is breaking, the function is breaking at x equal to 3. So we have to necessarily find left hand limit as well as right hand limit. That is mandatory here in this problem. So what is that is limit of f of x as x approaches to 3 minus. How should I convert this one? I have to write limit of f of 3 minus h as h tends to 0. Okay? Does it give same meaning? Yes, this means from left hand side, smaller than 3, I would have write like 3 minus h. When x is smaller than 3, what is the function? Ax plus 1. This is equal to limit of, take the bracket, a into 3 minus h plus 1 as h tends to 0. This is equal to, apply the limit. We should apply the limit here. We get a bracket 3 minus 0 plus 1. We get, that is what? 3a plus 1. So this is the left hand limit number. Then similarly we have to find right hand limit or HCM. Limit of f of x as x approaches to 3 plus. How do I convert? I would have right limit of more than, that is something added here, f of 3 plus h as h tends to 0. Same method, number of questions we did here. Now when x is more than 3, what is the f of x? Bx plus 3, that is equal to limit of, take the bracket, b, what is the x? 3 plus h plus 3 as h tends to 0. Now apply the limit, b bracket 3 plus 0 plus 3, that is equal to 3b plus 3. 3b plus 3. Are you okay? Okay, this one, limit exists here. Left hand limit exists, right hand limit exists. What is asking? Find the relation between a and b. And also according to problem, it is continuous at x equal to 3. Since f is continuous at x is equal to 3. What does it mean? It means left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f of 3. Now we have to substitute. What is the left hand limit? 3a plus 1 is equal to right hand limit 3b plus 1, f of 3, nothing but 3b plus 3a plus 1. Now we have to equate any two numbers, bx plus 3, that is 3b, that is 3 plus h. Now equating any two terms, 3a plus 1 is equal to 3b plus 1. Solving plus 1 minus 1, both sides what? Cancel. And 3a is equal to what? 3b. Okay. What is the a value? From this, a is equal to what? B. So this is the relation between a and b. A is equal to b relation. Any other thing is observed here. 3a plus 3b plus 3. No? Okay, this is 3b plus 3 here. So here we do not cancel that. 3a plus 1 is equal to 3b plus 3, that is. Now what happened? 3a is equal to 3b plus 3 minus 1. It is 2. What is the a value? A is equal to, divide by 3, sending a division. 3b by 3, that is b plus 2 divided by 3. So we get exact relation. This is a is equal to b plus 2 by 3. This is the relation between a and b when f of x is continuous at x equal to 3. Almost it is similar to above problem, just we have to find the relation in terms of a and b. In above questions, find a and b two numbers. That only difference. Okay. One more question I give for you. Same model, lambda model. For what value of lambda is the function defined by f of x equal to This is right. Okay, 17th up to this one, 18th onwards we have to see the tomorrow class. Maximum up to this class, very important. Tomorrow class also I will complete the remaining questions. Whatever the simple questions are there based on algebraic functions, those questions are there, I will complete those.